In the next few minutes, I intend to show the biggest mistakes photographers normally use in studio situations with lighting. I also intend to show you how to achieve beautiful and flattering light every time. No fluff, just straight to the point tips with real examples. Let's get started. The first mistake is placing the light straight above the model. This always gives shadows under the eyes, which resembles a raccoon look. The only way you can generally make that work, if that's the only position that you could put the light, is have her tilt her chin up and look down with her eyes a bit. This position of the light being overhead is actually great for a hair light or a backlight, as long as you have another light to light her front. Should you use this as your main setup? Not in my opinion. I would definitely skip this setup. Here's one of my do's. Number 1, light in front at a 45-degree angle, angled down, just like the natural sun lights us every day. This is a much better and natural light setup. Lighting her from above, angled down. You'll get a nice flattering light across her face and shadows that fall off naturally. And the most important thing here is to be sure that you can see catch lights in her eyes. I like putting a softbox just out of camera frame, slightly elevated just a little bit above the actual camera itself. This usually gets you nice and professional shots every time. Here's the second biggest mistake: blasting your light directly at the side of the model's head at the model's height. This method creates dramatic shadows on the opposite side of the face, which will cause you to do a tremendous amount of work in post. If you really want that side drama, have your model turn her face a bit toward the light so that the light spreads more across her face. That helps, but it's still not my favorite for a clean one light portrait. The winning setup. Here's the one I recommend the most. Light above the model's head, pointed down at a 45-degree angle. That gives the most flattering light when using a single light source. There's 2 things you must check every time though. Number 1, that you see a catch light in her eye. And number 2, that you get that nice triangle on the opposite cheek. That's that classic Rembrandt look, and it looks incredible. When you hit that combination, then you know you're about to get some incredible shots. Here's a simple checklist you can use on every shoot. 1, the light is coming slightly from above. 2, that you see catch lights in both their eyes. 3, that the shadows look flattering and natural. And 4, that your modifier is big enough for the look that you're trying to get. My final thoughts: master the 45-degree elevated light setup first. Once you're comfortable with that, start adding more lights until it becomes easier. If you would like for me to demonstrate that 3-light setup, just comment 3-light setup down in the comments, and we'll definitely make that video. Flash photography does not have to be complicated. Position your light well, look for catch lights, and you will immediately see better portraits. Drop your biggest lighting struggle in the comments. I read every one of the comments, and I'll definitely respond. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more straight to the point, no BS tutorials that'll get you headed in the right direction today. Now, go shoot something. Let's talk again soon.